Fully automated candy jar packaging production line. Station 1 bottle sorting machine automatically sorts oranges and oranges scattered plastic cans. For output, laying the foundation for automated production. Station 2 fully automatic can sealing machine performs high-speed, precision sealing of cans to achieve basic sealing. Station 3 capping machine. The machine integrates a cap sorting and lifting system, which automatically sorts, lifts, and conveys the inner caps. The capping head precisely grips the caps and completes a secondary seal to ensure moisture prevention and freshness. Station 4 labeling machine, which applies labels to the can body at high speed and with precision, resulting in flat and beautiful labels that enhance the brand image. Station 5 the date coding machine prints clear and durable production dates on the can in real time, enabling product information traceability and meeting regulatory requirements. Finally, collect the finished product cans smoothly.